My name is Doug Floyd, and I'm going to present a deck out of a collection I have produced regarding business impacts stemming from digital technology. Digital technology is already changing the entire ecosystem of modern corporations and is poised to further disrupt technology strategy in the coming years. This presentation specifically focuses on the Agile framework and the most optimal model and approach to select for digital efforts, ranging from Scrum to Lean to Kanban. Which Agile approach will deliver the best results? Scrum, Lean, Kanban? Why does this matter? Will this help solve the business problem? Agile is a far superior method of software development that is now being widely deployed in both startups and large corporations. The Agile Manifesto and Agile principles ensure that incremental iterations, collaborative face-to-face communications, and customer-substantiated quality are all addressed. With much more experience under their belts, software engineers can now focus on using even more advanced development methodologies, such as Scrum, Lean, and Kanban. However, the team needs to determine the best methodology to implement within the Agile framework, given the nature of the project. Each project is unique and may require components or characteristics from multiple approaches, depending on factors such as skill levels, company culture, and tools being deployed. Scrum development follows a continuous improvement cycle, exposing flaws faster and reducing waste. Value is achieved faster as releases arrive to the customer more frequently. Scrum allows for a much faster and user-based development process. Scrum has many advantages over traditional development by following a process composed of short iterations of design, build, configure, test, and release. Note that Scrum is the most common and widely used Agile software development methodology for managing product development. The time to get products to market is substantially reduced using Scrum. Continuous visibility is provided for clients, developers, and users as part of the product backlog. The Scrum development process starts with initiation and goes through cycles with integration and testing to add functionality. The release to market takes place quickly, so valuable customer feedback can be incorporated into the next iteration. Changes and adjustments are then made, so the next iteration can begin. Sprints within Scrum break development cycles into short time periods to allow frequent testing and user feedback. Development teams plan and commit to completing a certain amount of work in a short time period of 2 to 4 weeks called a sprint. The product backlog represents all of the outstanding requirements that eventually need to be included in the product. However, the sprint backlog is a subset that the Scrum team focuses on during the sprint. A final deliverable or product is created at the end of the sprint. Lean focuses on eliminating waste and not applying effort to tasks that are not absolutely essential. Lean is another methodology within the Agile framework, adapted from lean manufacturing techniques. In Lean, all steps not adding value to the customer are waste and must be eliminated. Value stream mapping techniques are used to identify waste in Lean. Lean principles take all of the systems and processes of the effort into account. Steps in Lean principles include specify value, map the value stream, work to perfection, establish flow, and implement pull. Products and services are defined by the value created to customers. As part of Lean, each step in the value stream is mapped. The continuous flow of products is established, and the downstream pull from customers is implemented. All work is perfected in continuous improvement so that all waste is eliminated. The essential components of Lean software development include value, speed, quality, and maintainability. Lean allows for input and direction from all stakeholders and viewpoints, both internal and external to the company. Value feedback is provided by the business, and speed input is provided by development team processes. Quality and maintainability are derived from the technical processes and tools used by the development team, such as design patterns and test-driven development. A positive user experience is critical to success with Lean. Reaching success within Lean is accomplished by meeting and exceeding user needs. The user experience is central to all tasks and steps. The Lean team must focus on high levels of collaboration, human-centered interactions, and the entire ecosystem of activities. Kanban is another methodology within the Agile framework that emphasizes just-in-time delivery without overloading team members. Similar to Lean, Kanban is based off the Kanban manufacturing techniques that focus on efficiency. Kanban focuses on measuring lead times and reducing work in process. Kanban continually prioritizes all work in the queue, facilitates continuous deployment, factors in both development and maintenance activities, and provides visibility into each step. Kanban also maintains a constant flow of work throughout the development cycle. Sticky notes on a board are frequently used within Kanban to visualize the workflow. Visualization is an important component of Kanban since it allows a deeper understanding of both the work and the workflow. When comparing Kanban and Scrum methodologies, Kanban tasks and deliverables are more focused on improving the continuous flow. Scrum is more focused on meeting quick development timeframes and sprints. Kanban is better suited for continuous releases, rather than an environment in Scrum where reacting to constantly changing requirements is necessary. The greatest value proposition lies in selectively choosing the best components within each of the three models. Each product or program development effort may require a unique combination. The Agile framework is quite flexible and malleable, allowing companies room to tailor a version that suits the culture and needs of many product development environments. Scrum, Lean, and Kanban, including Scrumban, all allow rapid and iterative development to take place, with each methodology providing a unique emphasis on software engineering practices. A scenario-based hybrid approach that incorporates best practices and components from all three methods is the best way to optimize development in the enterprise. Each project or product can determine the values and processes that will enable high levels of user involvement, quick deployments, and resource efficiency while coding solutions to business objectives. The winning team will take the upfront time to truly understand how skill levels and culture influence development procedures when choosing the ideal Agile path. Put the pieces together for your company and let productivity soar to new heights. I hope you enjoyed the presentation on Agile framework selection. I am a digital strategist and technologist focusing on transformative growth through digital technology solutions. I specialize in digital technology strategy, product leadership, and program management. This presentation can be reached by going to my SlideShare or LinkedIn sites. My video on this topic can be found on my YouTube site, and my more detailed white paper on this topic can be found on my LinkedIn site. In addition, presentations, videos, and white papers I have produced concerning several related topics in digital business and technology can be found on my LinkedIn, SlideShare, and YouTube sites. Buttons and links to all these materials are included on this slide. I can be reached directly at my email address or at my Twitter handle. Thank you.